something along the lines of, "I'm not suggesting the way forward will be easy." He hinted at that in an article today in the Wall Street Journal.
Thank you. Their job, protect Washington Mutual from taking unnecessary risks. But a new lawsuit claims risk managers were given the cold shoulder, leading the biggest bank failure in United States history. The shareholder class action lawsuit claims that Today on the afternoon program Studio B, I spoke with a former senior risk manager for WAMU. He told me executives continue to push very questionable loans despite the warnings about the risks.
The bank became really like a sports car without brakes, without any kind of risk management whatsoever. And so the executives at WAMU removed those brakes so it would drive faster, and they wound up driving the sports car over a cliff.
And that's when the Fed stepped in, seizing Washington Mutual 3 weeks ago. We called WAMU's public relations department, which, along with the rest of the checking operations, was taken over by JPMorgan Chase. Our spokesman tonight said it would be inappropriate to comment and directed us to a separate WAMU holding company, which hasn't yet returned our call. From America's election headquarters, the brand new CBS News New York Times poll has just been released.
Pick up, sweetheart.
Has his biggest lead yet. Senator Obama now leads
Oh boy.
voters by 14
Big yawn.
points, up 3 points from just last Monday. Senator Obama favored by 53% of those surveyed.